at the table, there are just some words you need to know. So I'm going to tell you what they are and try to make it easy for you to remember. First of all, you want to have a glass of wine or something. This is my size of glass, and it's called a copa de vino. If you have wine in here, copa. You can remember that as cup. It's not a cup, it's a wine glass, but you call it copa de vino. Copa. Now you're going to drink coffee or something, you use one of these babies. This is a taza. All right? You can say taza de coffee, casa de agua. But generally, the only thing you drink out of this is coffee or maybe tea. Taza. Now, this is a water glass, and it's called a vaso. You can remember that if you already know the word for glass, which is vidrio. But this is vaso. It's an easy two-syllable word. Vaso. Now you got your tools that you're going to eat with. Now this is called a tenedor. You can remember that because these are what? These are called tines on the fork. So this is a tenedor. Tenedor. Cuchillo. That's knife. Cuchillo. Note the two L's have the Z sound. Now, a cuchillo is dinner knife. The knife you carry in your pocket, whether it's a pen knife or a whittling knife or fighting knife, those are navaja. So you never have a cuchillo fight. It'd be a navaja fight. You got to remember these are different words, and don't mix them up. Or when you're in some dark alley and some guy pulls his navaja on you and you call it cuchillo, he's going to fall over laughing, and you'll probably be able to get away then. So remember, these are two separate words. Cuchara is spoon. Cuchara. Don't confuse it with cucaracha. Cucaracha is an insect. Gringos always say cucaracha. That's not right. Cuchara. Now, oftentimes you need the salt and the pepper. So salt is sal. Sal for salt, and pimiento spelled the same way without the T. S-A-L. If you want the sal, just say sal por favor. You don't have to learn how to say please pass the salt to me. The other thing that you're always going to need is pimiento. That's pepper, and you ask for that the same way. Pimiento, por favor. So now you got your setting, you got your salt and your pepper, and if you watch the other video, your meal is going to come to you lo mismo, the same. You might not know what it's going to be, but it's the same thing as your partner, and that's cool. Okay, here's the big boy. Plato. Sounds just like plate. That's easy. Plato. El plato. Now you eat off a plato. Don't confuse it with plata. Plata is the word for silver, or sometimes for coins. It's plato, not plata. So review these words because it's really embarrassing when you try to pantomime spoon or knife.